Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tarot deck review. I am so sorry that it has taken me so long to get another video up since the last one. I've been on vacation in Disneyland and my personal life has kind of gone crazy. So I haven't had like any extra time. But within the next week and a half or so, hopefully I will have more time to produce actually what I want to produce. So cross your fingers for me. Anyway, with that being said, say hello to Miss Madame Leota. I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on her. It's been, a long wait. So that trip to Disneyland was worth it just for this. Anyway, we are going to review the Modern Witch Tarot deck by Lisa Sterle. So I'm super excited because I have been waiting for this one as well. This was one of the decks that I've been wanting to purchase since it was announced. So I just fell in love with the very minimal artwork that I saw. So this retails for $24.95, and this was just recently released. I'm not sure about the exact date, but I know it was like October 8th or 9th or something like that. So very, very recent. And this says Modern Witch Tarot is a magical take on a traditional tarot symbolism inspired by fashion and modern witches from every walk of life. Spark your imagination, seek your inner wisdom, and discover your true power. This is 78 cards and a booklet, Sterling Ethos, New York. Let's see, what else can I tell you? That's about it as of right now. I am already loving this box, as you can see, as I'm, maneuvering it around. It looks like it slides out, which is fantastic. All of the artwork on each side is fantastic. It's very modern as far as the writing goes, as far as the colors go. I'm very excited to get into it. So it feels sturdy. Let's take our handy dandy scissors here and incision it. Hopefully that was enough. I don't want to wreck the cards. There we go. All right, trash. So it feels very sturdy. It seems like it's going to be, delivery did not do well with that. It seems like it's going to be one of those boxes where you can store your cards in its original packaging. So that's fantastic. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, okay. Oh, look at the inside. Oh my gosh, that's just too stinking cute. I love little details like that. Like, it just makes the deck that much more special. So the fact that they go above and beyond that, that's just not black, that's actually a print in there, that is making it everything so far. All right. So it comes out of the top. That is so cute. All right. Oh, in there too. I love it. Okay, look at this. Oh my gosh. It is an actual bound book. And I love the color. I love me some teal. Okay, so before we get into the cards, let's just see how much information is in the booklet, and then we'll get into the art. So forward, introduction, reading, spreads, and extra cards. Okay, so I want to see what the information really has in here. Okay, so there is a couple paragraphs of each card, so you get some information there. Let's see what. Okay, those are all the minor, reading the tarot, and then we have some spreads, pretty decent. Yes, yes, yes. And okay, what are these extra cards? So everything is fine card can be used to replace the 10 of Swords. A version of this card with this tagline was the first I drew for the deck. The final card is a little bit of inspiration from me to you, and it says you are a badass being, full of life, love, and possibilities. Through this deck, may you find a path to your best self. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, there may not be like a ton of information in here, but I feel like it is definitely enough for you to get by if you are a beginner. And yeah, it doesn't seem like there's reversals, but again, it's something you can figure out if you do reversals yourself, or something you can find in other tarot books. So, all right, let's get into the cards because I'm really excited. All right, get rid of the trash there. Ooh, look at the back. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with the color. I love like just the offset with the white. Ah, so cute. Okay. They are a little glossy, as you can tell, but I don't think they're too bad. And this is adorable. This is very modern. How cute. All right, the Fool. I'm loving the artwork. I'm loving the color choices. Very cool. What? This is amazing. Okay, so already it's a very diverse deck, and I'm loving that. Oh my gosh. The diversity is amazing so far. I mean, you just don't get that in every single deck. So that's something I look for, because tarot is for everybody. That's really cool. So it definitely keeps with the Rider-Waite imagery, Rider-Waite-Smith, excuse me, but it just has its own twist. A very modern twist, and I love it. Very cool. Okay, so that was the major. Now we're getting into the minor here. Wow. That's so cool. I'm really loving this. What do you guys like to use as far as your themes go for your tarot decks? Is there a particular theme? I tend to be drawn more toward the like witchy sets. So this is right up my alley. This is beautiful. Cute. Oh, I love that little hat. Yeah, they totally took and twisted it into the modern era, and I love it. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh, love. Swords. This is really neat, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments, because I'm very interested to know what you guys think about this. Do you like the modern take? Because I do. Oh, bless you, sir. My dogs. The cardstock is very nice too, by the way. I've been so enamored with the art, I was forgetting about the cards, but they are nice, good thickness. They are flexible, but they're not, they don't feel flimsy, like they snap back. They feel good coming out of the hand. There's not a problem with any of the edges being too rough. So I'm already impressed with that. The size is a really good size too. It's not too wide and it's not too skinny. It's not too small, you know, Goldilocks and it all, but it's really, really nice. It glides really, really good in your hand. So I'm interested to see, oh, plants, interested to see how they shuffle. But so far, I am in love with this deck. Very, very much so. It is super cute, super modern, super inclusive, and the art is just beautiful. Everything is fine. So this is the card that they were talking about. And then you are a badass being full of life, love, and possibilities. Oh, that's very cute. So I'm going to set these two aside. And we're going to see how these shuffle here. Oh, yeah. That's really nice. It's very smooth to glide through. Now let's see how they shuffle this way. Yes, they do shuffle really nicely. I am loving it. I don't have a single thing to say as far as negative goes. If you were a beginner, I feel like this would be a very good deck for you to start with because the imagery is so good. It's the same basic imagery of the original Rider-Waite-Smith decks. So you get to use your intuition with that. That way it's not too complex. And the book has enough information, I feel, to where you can really figure it out as a beginner. There are a lot of spreads in there that you can use that will help you. They're very nice in the hand. I just can't say anything bad about them. I don't have anything bad. I love the inclusivity. I love the diversity. I think they thought of a lot. They put a lot of thought into it, and the box just itself, the way that it's all set up, what a wonderful little gift set too. So since this just came out, if you guys are thinking about Christmas presents, if you guys are thinking about what to get your tarot loving friend or relative, chances are they have not purchased this for themselves. So, I mean, what a great gift. Yeah, I have Christmas on the brain now. It's just automatic. Once Halloween comes, it's Christmas. Gosh. So anyway, I think the box is fantastic. I think everything was very, well thought out and beautiful. My only thing is there could have been more information, but for me, I always just want more information. So, there's never enough information for me, but I feel like if you read through this, you're definitely going to know what they mean. There's enough for you to infer and use your intuition. So yeah, all in all, I mean, not to make this video really long, but all in all, I think this is wonderful. I think this is a fantastic little set here. I think if you are a beginner, it's perfect. If you are advanced, this would be a great tarot deck for you to add to your collection. I am in love with the art, with the color choices, and the fact that it is modern. So let me know what you think down in the comments if this is your cup of tea, what you think about the art. And again, I will link all of the information on where to purchase down in the description box below. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for coming back and spending time with me. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Halloween. Bye, guys.